Good morning friends, welcome to my channel. Today's vlog we will start from unboxing this box. So yeah, I got a parcel, so let's open it together. Yeah, so that's the box. You can see it's quite a big box actually. Yeah, it's from Songmix. Songmix is a Chinese homeware company and they do some really nice stuff on a very affordable prices. So you can see on the box it was a bin. It is a bin actually. I wanted to buy a new bin. So yeah, let's do the unboxing together and I'll show you how it looks like. Here, just clean the plate. I actually ordered the silver color, but that was out of stock, so I thought, okay, let's just do the white one. Even this looks nice. It's quite sturdy actually. It's very good material. It's quite heavy as well, and it's the paddle one. And then you can even take this bin out. So it's nice actually, like you can take the bin out as well and then you can wash it. And yeah, this is how it is. Oh, okay. That's what this piece inside. We'll take it out too. Okay, yeah. So this is how it is. That's the bin. And there is something inside. Let's see what it is. Oh, so we got some free liners. Oh, that's nice. So we got some 15 free samples. And there's drawstring. Couldn't even say that. Yeah, so we got some free bins with bin liners with this bin, which is quite good. So yeah. For dinner today we are making some dal and rice. So this is our mixed dal. So these are two dals which you need to mix together. So one is the moong dal, it's in green color, and the other one is the red lentils. So you can find it from any shop, Tesco's, Indian, Asian shops, and yes, very easy. It's available everywhere. So yeah, you need to mix these two dals together, wash and leave it for a while, and then we will cook it. So that's our dal which was soaked for a few hours. Add some water. So I've added about 5 cups of water in there. And here are our spices. It's salt, pepper, red chili, and some dal masala. I'm gonna add all in. And that's it, and then we're gonna put it in our Ninja cooker, put it on pressure, and it should be done in about 15 minutes time. So I'll see you in about 15 minutes time to show how it comes. So it's been 15 minutes. Now we're gonna check our dal. How is it coming down? Okay, this is how it looks like. Still bubbling up. Now what we're gonna do is still not prepared yet. We're gonna do a temper for it now. Now our temper is fried. It's garlic and chili fried, and I'm just gonna put it into our dal. Mix that up. So now I'm going to cover it
it for about 5 minutes just to simmer it. So that's the final result. That's our dal and rice. You can serve it with roti, paratha, whatever would you like. And I'm also serving it with some tomatoes and onion salad. So yeah, I hope you like it.